My name is Muhammad AZHAR and I am currently serving as Associate Head and the Assistant Professor in Department of ADS. I am also the Director of BSc ADS program and the Director of Big Data Laboratory. In 2023, I joined Shue Yan University and have consecutively received the highest SLEQ scores over the past 2 years. Regarding my teaching philosophy, I believe that education is a collaborative journey where teachers actively engage with students by understanding their individual strengths and area for improvement. My teaching approach focuses on fostering an inclusive, supportive and interactive environment, so encourage the students to ask questions freely. As my primary courses revolve around core data science subjects, I emphasize practical coding skills, which is my area of expertise. Approximately 90% of my lectures incorporate hands-on activities to reinforce theoretical concepts through practical applications. I firmly believe that while theoretical understanding is essential, the ability to apply knowledge in real-world scenarios is critical, especially in an applied field like data science, where industry-ready coding skills are vital. Talking about my teaching strength lies in practical knowledge and industry experience in programming and having various countries' teaching and research experience. With a solid background in computer science and artificial intelligence, I teach coding-related courses while sharing insights from my diverse industry journey, which includes remote, freelance, and on-site roles. So, to help the students about industry experience, I often share my experience with students, highlighting gaps I felt during my own student years to motivate them to pursue internship and participate in coding-related competition. Regarding Gen AI, it's the integration of Gen AI in education presents both challenges and opportunities, especially as universities adapt from traditional teaching methods. While some express concerns that Gen AI might hinder students' development of deep analytical skills, I firmly believe that when used thoughtfully, it can significantly enhance learning efficiency and foster creativity. To leverage generative AI effectively, teachers must design assignments that promote critical thinking and genuine understanding rather than rote memorization. For instance, I assign my students to create datasets about physical attributes of buildings at Shue Yan University, such as the number of floors, gym rooms, and canteens, by collecting accurate data directly from official sources like the OSA website. This approach ensures that students rely on authentic data, as Gen AI tools like ChatGPT often lack precise or current details. Giving suggestion to teachers, I believe that teachers must be proactive, empathetic, and continuously evolve by staying informed about the latest industry trends and educational technologies to enhance their teaching effectiveness. As educational methods rapidly transform and foundational information become readily accessible to students through Gen AI and agentic AI tools, teachers should prioritize imparting uniquely human elements and technology can't replicate.